Identify the products of rearrangement of the following pinacoles. Here, cyclic vicinal diol, cyclohexane vicinal diol. When it is undergoing pinacol rearrangement, remember the OH group which is going to be removed in the form of H2O, and the migrating group may be H minus, maybe CH3 minus, maybe phenyl. Both should be in the opposite direction. So in this, this is cis diol. Two OH groups are above the plane, hydrogens are below the plane. So here OH is going to be removed, H is going to be migrate. So exactly both are in the opposite direction. So first what happens? Protonation of OH group takes place. OH group undergoes protonation. Producing hydronium ion. Since OH and migrating hydrogen both are in the opposite direction, attack of H minus takes place. Pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement is possible. So H and OH2 plus both are in the opposite direction. H minus comes out and attacks at the electrophilic carbon which is holding oxonium ion. So that carbon pushes electron pair onto the oxonium ion. Then carbocation is formed newly, which is more and more stable because of the conjugation between lone pair of the oxygen and positive charge of the carbon. H2O here is eliminated. Two hydrogens are attached. So this is stable carbocation. This is called pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. After the formation of carbocation, OH bond pair is dropped between C and O. Deprotonation takes place. Then cyclohexanone is obtained. This is the product form. In the form of chair conformation also we can try to understand the pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. Since this is cis isomer, two OH groups are in the same direction, H and H. Now what we have to observe? OH to be removed, H to be migrated. Both are in the opposite direction. So during the protonation, it becomes OH2 plus. H minus attacks at the carbon which is holding OH2 plus. H2O is eliminated. So after the elimination of H2O, carbon which is holding OH gets positive charge. So because of the conjugation between lone pair of the oxygen and positive charge, it is stable. So at this carbon, two hydrogens are present. After the formation of carbocation, stable carbocation, since carbon is having only 6 electrons, it can attract the OH bond pair. H comes out in the form of H plus. So H plus which is involved in the first step, released in the last step. That's why H plus is considered a catalyst. This is in the presence of acid catalyst, pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. This is nothing but cyclohexanone.